Good morning and welcome to my winter morning routine. Every day I wake up around 7 to 7:30. It just depends on if I have class that morning, but luckily on this Friday morning I didn't have any class. So usually it's just spent waking up with the dogs. Hickory's always in bed with me. He always lets me know when he's ready to get up and start his day. First thing I do is slip on my cozy slippers from Old Navy. It just makes getting out of the warm, nice bed a little bit easier. So then it's time to make my morning cup of coffee, which is something I look forward to every single morning. So I just go ahead and start up the Keurig, get my coffee mug out, and start brewing my fresh cup of coffee. My dogs know as soon as I make my coffee, it is then time for them to get their breakfast. So it's always something they look forward to in the mornings. And sometimes they don't eat their breakfast right away. They like to wait. But this morning they were all so hungry and they were ready to start eating. Alexa, living room lights on. So while the dogs are eating their breakfast, I'll take my coffee and go sit on the couch for a little bit. I'll check my phone, check any emails, see if there's anything I need to be doing for school, and of course just scroll social media and stuff. And then I will watch maybe some YouTube if I have time. Usually I have time if I have a chill morning like this that I can catch up on some YouTube videos. I love watching some of my favorite creators first thing in the morning. And of course this is a time when Hickory loves to cuddle with me on the couch. Actually both Hickory and Huckleberry end up on the couch with me, and I really love this time in the morning because it's just so relaxing, and before my day starts going and gets crazy, I get a little bit of downtime with them. So by this time, I'm usually really hungry, so I'm going to go ahead and make some oatmeal this morning, and then I'm going to be adding some chopped strawberries and banana and a lot of cinnamon to my oatmeal. That's like the only way I love to eat it. So while I sit down at the table to enjoy my breakfast and my second cup of coffee by this time, I like to do my quiet time and read my Bible. I was going to start reading Ruth this morning. It's one of my favorite books in the Bible, and I'm really looking for a good new Bible study to do in the mornings, just something I can do especially when I have a busy morning at school. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, please leave them in the comments below. If I'm going to be home, I always light a candle in the morning. I just feel like it's such a cozy way to start your day, and my favorite one of all time is Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. So then I do anything I need to get done on my computer. This day I had a quiz to take online, so that's what I was doing, as well as checking my emails and scrolling through Pinterest, of course. I've been diffusing essential oils every morning as well, and I'm really just into using lemon. I love the crisp, fresh smell it gives my entire room. So I got this diffuser for Christmas from my sister-in-law, and I love it so much. Before I hop in the shower, I pick out an outfit and lay it out on my bed so it's ready for when I get out. So then it's time for me to hop in the shower, so I always get the water started a few minutes before I hop in just because it takes a long time to heat up. But I've been using this fresh eucalyptus and hanging it from my shower head that's from Trader Joe's. It smells amazing. It makes your whole shower smell exactly like a spa. So after I shower, I put on some makeup and do my hair, and then I'm ready to leave for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my winter morning routine. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.